Good morning, students. In the last session, I explained you the examples from the problem set up to 11. Now, in this session, I am going to explain. I think this one I given a homework, so let it be. I explained yesterday, I think. Okay, so listen, students. Day after tomorrow means on Saturday, I will conduct your test on the polynomial. So be ready for the test. Okay, students. Now, I am going to explain the remaining questions from the problem set. Now, question number 12, that is a polynomial bx square plus of x plus of 5 and bx cube minus of 2x plus of 5 are divided by, it is divided, division by the polynomial x minus 3 and the remainder are m and n. When it is divided to the first polynomial, the remainder is m, and when it is divided by the second polynomial, remainder is n. If m minus n is equal to 0, then find the value of b. Very simple question. Firstly, whatever according to that, by the remainder theorem, you have to calculate the, you have to solve the question. Okay, whatever it will come the result, and then you have to use this condition. Firstly, bx square plus of x plus of 5, it is divided by the x minus 3. So what is the value of x? Obviously 3. So what we have to take? What is p of 3? Your p of 3 is m. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम क्या बोलता है? इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ गिवन डिवाइजर is already, it is given that, then the value is what? M. So how to write is by the remainder theorem, p of m is equal to m. P of 3 is equal to m. Sorry, not m. P of 3, because x minus 3 is a divisor, and p of x is equal to bx square plus x plus 5. What is p of x? It is p of 3. So instead of x, what we have to use? 3. So b 3 square plus of 3 plus of 5. So p of 3 is what? It is m. So b 3 square is 9b plus of 8. So m is equal to 9b plus 8. This is your equation first. This is your equation first. Same, we have to solve the another condition. Bx cube plus minus of 2x plus of 5. This is a polynomial. X minus 3 is a divisor. So by the remainder theorem, p of x is bx cube minus of 2x plus of 5. So p of 3 is equal to, because x is equal to 3. So b in bracket 3 cube minus of 2 into 3 plus of 5. So n, what is p of 3 for the second polynomial? It is n, and therefore n is equal to b into 3 cube is 27, 2 3 are 6 plus of 5, and so n is equal to 27, b minus of 1. So equation first and second, it is we got. Now m and n equation we got, but what is given here? It is given that m minus n is equal to 0. So m minus n means subtract the equation second from first, and by using this condition, what you can say that 9b plus 8 minus of 27 minus of 1, what you will get? You will get the 9b, you have to shift this side, because it is given that m minus n is equal to 0. It means that m is equal to n. So first, from first and second, they are equal. So 9b you have to shift this side, this one you have to shift this side. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 27b minus of 9b is 18b, and therefore b is equal to 18 divided by 9, and b is equal to what it is? Sorry. B is equal to 8, 9 by 18. 9 by 18, and it is equal to 1 by. Understood, students? So B value is equal to 1 by 2. Simple way. Just use the remainder theorem. You will get the two equation. According to given condition, you have to solve it. Okay. Next, simplify. Here it is a subtraction and addition is there. Simplify, just calculations is there. 8m square plus of 3m minus 6 minus 9m minus 7 plus 3m square minus of 2m plus 4. First polynomial as it is. Second, we have to change the sign, because subtraction sign is there outside the bracket. So whole all the terms their sign will change, and third as it is because the plus is there, because plus is there. Now see, so 8m square plus 3m square taken terms at a one place. See here, same it is here also and here also, and then add and subtract. Okay, so 8m square plus 3m square is 11m square. 3m minus 9 minus 2 is minus 8m, and minus 6 plus 7 plus 4. Always remember, when you are doing the subtraction addition, see the sign, it is very important. Okay, plus 5. So answer is very easy. Now, which polynomial is to be subtracted from x square plus of 13x plus of 7 to get the polynomial? We have to find out which let we have to subtract a polynomial from x square plus of 13x plus of 7 to what is the answer after subtracting the polynomial 3x square plus of 5x minus 4. So according to the given condition, x square plus of 13x plus 7 minus of a polynomial is equal to 3x square 5x minus of 4. So this a we have to shift this side, and this polynomial 2 we have to shift this side, or you can do vice versa also. So x square plus of 13x plus of 7 minus of 3x square plus of 5x minus of 4. So after subtracting all the terms of this second bracket of polynomial goes change. So a is equal to x square plus of 13x plus of 7 minus of 3x square. This plus minus minus 5x, and minus minus become a plus 4. So x square minus of 3x square plus 13x minus of 5x plus 7 plus 4. So what you will get? Minus 2x square plus of 8x plus of 11. Simple way. Don't be confused. Just you have to consider one of the polynomial which is subtracted from the given, and you will get the answer. Means according to given conditions, try to write the equation. If you are writing the equation correct, then you will not be confused. Okay, students? Don't do that directly. Sometimes what happen, instead of addition you are doing subtraction, and subtraction instead of subtraction you are doing addition. It will become a hard. So instead of use the method, consider one variable for the polynomial and go according to the given condition. Definitely you will get the answer correct. How to tell your answer? Now subtract this question answer from this. You will get the polynomial this. Okay. So what is your homework? Tally your answer. Tally. Tally means whatever answer you have to use in the given condition. Okay, means which polynomial is subtracted. Subtract this answer from the given polynomial. Your answer should be this polynomial. Okay, now which polynomial is to be subtracted from x square plus of 13x plus of 7 to get the polynomial 3x square plus of 5x minus of 4. This is also same. Let we have to subtract the polynomial a. So how to write the answer? Let the required polynomial be a. So we are subtracting this polynomial from x square plus of 13x plus of 7 minus of a. So what you will get? You will get the polynomial 3x square plus 5x minus of 4. Now write the equation according to given condition and then solve. So a you have to shift this polynomial is subtracting. After subtracting, what all the terms of the second bracket is goes to change. So it will become x square plus of 13x plus of 7 minus 3x square minus 5x plus of 4, and then x square minus 3x square plus 13x minus 5x plus 7 plus 4. So x square minus 3x square is minus 2x square. 13 minus 5 is 8x, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So this is the answer. Now this answer also you have to tally and send me the, this is your home, means tally answers of question 13 and 14. Tally means just whatever is answer is there, you have to subtract from these and you should get the answer this one. Okay, so complete your notebook up to the polynomial lesson. In the next from Saturday, so I will conduct the exam, and on Monday I will start your geometry lesson. Okay, students? Chalo.